How to convert a debit card into a credit card. I'm going to show you how you can easily convert a debit card into a credit card. Converting a debit card into a credit card involves applying for a credit card, as you can't directly convert a debit card into a credit card. First, check your credit score. This will give you an idea of which credit cards you might qualify for. You can check your credit score for free through various online services. Next, look for credit cards that suits your needs. Consider factors like annual fees, interest rates, rewards, and credit limits. Compare different credit cards to find the one that offers the best benefits for you. Prepare the necessary documents for your credit card application. Typically, you will need identification, proof of income, and possibly proof of address. Apply for a credit card online or at a bank branch. Fill out the application form with accurate information. Then, submit the required documents and wait for the approval. Once you submit your application, the credit card issuer will review it. If approved, you will receive your new credit card by mail. When you receive your credit card, follow the instructions to activate it. This usually involves calling a number or logging into the issuer's website. By applying for a credit card, you can enjoy the benefits of credit while managing your finances. Remember to use your credit card responsibly to build and maintain a good credit score.